Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the post-match presentation, the final presentation of this CCL Cricket League T10 cricket tournament brought to you by Mufid Jeddah. At the end, it is a fantastic game of cricket. We had a lot of problem, but at the end, I think the cricket won it. And tough luck Titans, you played a fantastic game, but it was not your day. And good luck Rising Star. हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं, आपने आज बाजीगरी दिखाई. So good luck and congratulations. The guest today we have here, first of all, the owner of the Titans, the White Titans, Isaac Jupapu, my very good friend. Along with that, Mas Jupapu, then Azim Maddas, Janab, Junaid Hagalwadi, Ghafoor Sakarde, and you see that Yasin Haji Amin, and Etisham Chamudi, the man behind this wonderful event. A big hand, gentlemen. And first of all, we'll start this, the closing ceremony, the last ceremony, the final ceremony with the holy words of the Quran. And to recite the holy words of the Quran, I request Inayat Ali Maddas, my very good friend, to please come forward and recite the holy words of the Quran and start this ceremony officially.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والتين والزيتون وطور سينين وهذا البلد الأمين لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم أجر غير ممنون فما يكذبك بعد بالدين أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallahu khair. And one more thing, there were plenty of manager awards to be given here, but at the end there was like, trophies ready नहीं हुई थी. And you know that जब बड़ा event होता है and कुछ चीजें होती है थोड़ा सा हैंडल करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, but I think you all supported very well, so thank you once again and thank you. And अपने आप के लिए एक जोरदार तालियां. Thank you for participating in this wonderful tournament. So man of the matches थे वो अभी मैं दूंगा यहाँ पर, एंड मैं माजरत चाहूँगा क्योंकि इससे पहले देना था, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा जो बैक ड्रॉप भी हमें थोड़ा सा देरी से मिला, जो बंदा बना रहा था वहाँ पे भी थोड़ी सी देरी हो गई. सो आप सेल्फी नहीं सके, लेकिन अभी मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, आप सेल्फी ले सकते. जो है यहाँ पर जो पहला मैच का मैन ऑफ द मैच था रोहित कोटा, उसके लिए मैं जुनैद अकलवाली साहब से गुजारिश करूंगा वो अपने हाथों से मैन ऑफ द मैच दे. रोहित खान टू प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड. कहाँ सांगलो तीन जाते दे वो है तुम फड़े रोहित कोटा समय ब्रा राइट बेल के सॉरी कोड बोलता राइट कोटा बेटा मैं कहता समय रोहित माशाल्लाह. Well, thank you. And uske baad, I'd like to request Azim Maddas to please come forward to give away the next man of the match. That is Amin, if he's here. Amin Siddiqa for the Res Bahar. Somebody come from the... Hey, who is there? Shamaz, you can come for take the award of Amin. Shamaz will come and take the award. Man of the match award brought to you by Aisha Amna General Trading, Trichinapolli. And uske baad, I request Ghafoor Sakarde to please come forward to give the next man of the match award. The match between Chokistan versus HNC. Asad, if he's here, to please come forward. Asad, I think he was here. Asad, man of the match. Fine, it's fine. The next man of the match, I request Isaac Jupapu to please come forward. It was the match between Penthouse versus Rising Star Marwan Fakiyamada. Brother, please come forward and take his award. A big hand. Thank you very much. And I request Yasin Haji Amin to please come forward. And there's one more award here. Chokistan with the Radhichan Nasik. Babu to please come for the man of the match. Now the next I request Ghafoor Sakarde to please come forward to give away the award. The match between HNC versus Panther, man of the match, Ilyas Motia, for the fantastic all-round performance. Brother Mizyan will take the award on behalf of the Ilyas. I request Mas Jupapu to please come forward. The next award to be given to Auf. Auf from Rajbahar. Ye bari, Rajbahar, bari, please come forward. Well. Yeah. Time karna hai, Dakkan. We need to go back home, man. I request Sannan to please come forward. Sannan Sidibapa. Mizyan Motia, man of the match, Nawai, yes, versus Bafaki. Mizyan for the fantastic batting. Next, I request Fazlu Rahman Gaima to please come forward. That goes award, the man of the match, Zuhaib. Chokistan versus Penthouse, Zuhaib ke liye award hai. I request Inayat Ali Maddas to please come forward. Sahil Saula, you got a man of the match. He played with the Rajbahar. Next, Munkad Hejib to please come forward. Well, that is Salman. Salman for the HNC for the fantastic batting. Take the award. Well, Maktoum Ismail to please come forward. Saman Motia for the semi-final, the man of the match. That 1 over. He defended against his brother. Well, next, Salman Jukka to please come forward. The man of the match in the semi-final, that goes to Abdul Mueed Hijib for the excellent batting. Well, before that, we got some individual prizes. There was a guy, Etisham Chamundi तो सब कुछ अपने आप पर पूरा वो क्या कहते हैं मल के लिया था, लेकिन in between there was one boy. He did a fantastic job. पानी हो या खाना हो, he was there for each and every time. मलिक के लिए जोरदार तालियां. I think who will give the award? Mas tu Malik. Mas के लिए बता दूं, ये अपने जमाने के बहुत ही बेहतरीन ऑलराउंडर, fantastic batsman from the YMSA. Best scorer Mehrab Goda. और मैं हमारे गफूर सकदे साहब से कहूंगा जो प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड. ये देखिए भाई, मैचेस बड़े होते हैं, लेकिन इस बार मैं समझता हूं ग्राउंड में कमेंट्री उतनी नहीं हुई, लेकिन जो हमारे जो फैंस थे ऑन द यूट्यूब बड़ा एंजॉय किया एंड इट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी, क्योंकि मैं एक दिन लेट पहुंचा. अगर इकबाल पठान नहीं होता तो बहुत मुश्किल होता. इकबाल पठान के लिए जोरदार तालियां. कमिंग ऑल द वे फ्रॉम द बैंक, इकबाल पठान. इकबाल पठान मुझे आवाज. और एक बात मैं कहूं, इकबाल पठान स्टिल इन लव, और मोहब्बत में अपनी फैमिली के साथ माशाल्लाह अब भी प्यार भरी बातें करते हैं भाभी के साथ. इकबाल पठान, द मैन विद द गोल्डन हार्ट, वेरी वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. इकबाल भाई, And नासिक के लिए एक इनाम है यहाँ पर राइजिंग स्टार फैन की जानिब से। कितना था? 5,000। वाई और ले ले आफ्ताब गाइमा एंड आफ्ताब नासिक के लिए और एक प्राइस है यहाँ पर उनके मामू फहीम और वसीम के जानिब से 1,000 रुपीज आए और ले जाएं। माशाअल्लाह भाई, कतरे कतरे से ही तो घड़ा भरता है माशाअल्लाह। और 3,000 फोन पे बहुत सारा इनाम है भाई। एक्चुअली विल गो विद द मेन प्रेजेंटेशन क्योंकि वक्त की कमी है। सो जिनको अभी कवर मिला है, कवर खाली है लेकिन आपको जीपे होगा इंशाल्लाह, तो फिर कहेंगे क्या हो रहा है, मास ने दिया भाई क्या हो गया। Well, for the best batsman, can you please get the check of the best batsman? Batter of the league. ₹7,500 for the cash and a beautiful trophy for the best batsman. Well, there were a couple of contestants for the best batsman, but at the end we thought the man who blasted really well throughout the tournament. But today it was not his day. 147. Rahid is the best batsman. Rahid Belke. And the sponsored, brought to you by Aftab Gaima. A trophy and 7,500 rupees cash prize. Well played. Thank you very much. Now we have the best bowler, brought to you by again Aftab Gaima. And Fazlu Gaima, his brother, will come forward and give it. Well, for the first bowler, 7,500 and a beautiful trophy. It will be given away by the Fazlur Rahman, the brother of Aftab Gaima, who brought this award to you. Best bowler with the 6 wickets, Mizian Motia. Cash prize 7,500 stayed in your account. Just give the GPay number. और यहीं पर जाने से पहले ही अपना नंबर दो और अपना कैश लेके जाओ. Otherwise, you know that cash melt हो जाएगा. Well, for the man of the series, a beautiful trophy and the cash prize of rupees 15,000. Can you believe it? 15,000 and a beautiful trophy brought to you by Itisham Chamundi and friends from Riyadh. Well, Uzair Juka is here. And for the man of the series, there were a couple of contestants for the man of the series. But at the end, the all-round performance with the bat, with the ball and in the fielding. And he gets us, my dear friends. Well, for the man of the match, we jury thought at the end, 94 runs and 4 wickets and plenty of catches and very good fielding. Sahil Sauda. 4 wickets, 94 runs, plenty of good catches. And he was running across all the ground. He's giving everything to the Titans to win this champion. But it was not your day. Take a deunche, dost. Take a deunche. Now for the final man of the match. Final man of the match. Itisham Chamundi, the man himself. But for the man of the match. And a trophy here. Brought to you by Aisha Hamna and General Trading. Well. वो कहते हैं ना संजू बाबू बहुत कुछ बाबू, but at the end it is Nasik Babu. Brought to you by Ashamna General Trading. Thank you very much. Thank you, Itisham Chamandi. Now for the runners-up. 45,555 and a beautiful trophy. Brought to you by the cash prize sponsored by Saqib Manna, the trophy sponsored by Sabir Manna, and a beautiful trophy. I request Uzair Jukka, Aftab Manna, Aftab Gaima, Isaac Bhai and Ghafoor Sakati to please come forward. Everybody to please come forward to give away this trophy. ₹45,000, 555 and a beautiful trophy. The captain of Nawai Titans, Saman Mutia, to please come forward. Saman. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now for the winners. The cash prize of rupees 95,555. I request Azim Maddas to please come forward. Junaid Agalwari to please come forward. Yasin Haji Amin to please come forward. Munkhad Haji Ben and Mas Jibabu, the big brother of Isaac Jibabu, क्योंकि बड़ा भाई तो बड़ा award देगा. First prize sponsored by Mufiz Jidda, 95,550 and a beautiful trophy. And trophy sponsored by Sabir Manna. The brace by second and the captain Imran Kurungoda. And beautiful. Oh, fantastic. Winner trophy sponsored by Sabir Manna. Runners up sponsored by Tabriz Momin. Well, thank you very much. 95,000 cash and a beautiful check here. And that is the end of the story here. Well, मैं तमाम लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, and especially our sponsors and all the A teams and all the captains and all the owners and all the fans and all the supporters coming on and supporting this beautiful tournament. Well, मैं हमारे मेहमानों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, and that is the end of the story and that is the end of the Samir Hindustani. इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह फिर एक इवेंट में. तब तक के लिए जज़ाकल्लाह खैर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
Hello.